Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best maintenance logbook is probably one of the most essential tools for any vehicle owner looking to keep track of their car's health, ensuring longevity and optimal performance by meticulously recording every service, repair, and inspection performed. This simple yet powerful document acts as a comprehensive history, invaluable for diagnosing issues, planning future maintenance, and even boosting resale value, making it an indispensable companion for responsible car ownership. Number 5. BookFactory Auto Maintenance Logbook. Keep track of all your vehicle's service appointments and maintenance history with ease. This logbook helps you remember when your last oil change or service was due. Easily monitor services, mileage, and maintenance for all your vehicles, whether for personal or business use. It's a comprehensive tool for any car owner. Utilize the yearly expense summary for seamless tax preparation and budgeting. This feature makes tracking your automotive spending straightforward and efficient. Record your total business and personal miles each month on the dedicated Annual Mileage Summary page. This ensures accurate tracking of your driving habits. Choose from two convenient sizes, a large 8.5x11 that fits binders, or a compact 5x7 perfect for your glove compartment. Our unique semi-rigid transparent cover provides a sturdy, stain-resistant, and wrinkle-resistant finish. It's built to last and protect your important records. This logbook is proudly produced in Ohio by a veteran-owned business. Support American manufacturing with this essential vehicle maintenance tool. What we like. This logbook is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship. It features a yearly expense summary, perfect for tax preparation and budgeting. If you need a reliable way to track maintenance and expenses for multiple vehicles, especially if you value domestic production, this is a great choice. What people say. The booklet fits nicely in my truck console for easy access. The size is 7 inches by 512 inches. It contains 117 pages with 3 trips on each page, giving a total of 351 trips to record. At the back there is several pages to calculate annual mileage totals, expenses, contact lists, and a notes page. The booklet has a clear plastic protector sheet on both front and back to keep the booklet clean and makes it very sturdy to write your entries on. This bigger one has pre-categorized space for me to note work personal total miles by day, expenses by day and each day's destination. Also plenty of extra space to record total income for the day of the week and any other notes I need to add. This mileage book is just the right size to fit in your center console, and the way the pages are designed are superior to any others I've found on Amazon or elsewhere. Number 4. Vehicle Maintenance Logbook. Easily track all your vehicle's maintenance needs. This logbook helps you stay on top of repairs, fuel, and mileage. Record everything from oil changes and tire rotations to general repairs. It's the perfect companion for any car or truck owner. Don't lose track of your spending. This journal allows you to log all your auto expenses, making budgeting a breeze. Whether you own a car, truck, or any other vehicle, this logbook is designed to meet your needs. Keep a detailed history of its upkeep. This repair journal is your go-to for documenting all service and repairs. Ensure your vehicle receives the best care possible. Our dedicated oil change log makes it simple to remember when your last service was. Keep your engine in top condition. What we like. This journal offers comprehensive tracking for maintenance, repairs, fuel, oil, miles, and tires, with dedicated space for notes. If you're looking for a detailed all-in-one solution to meticulously record every aspect of your vehicle's upkeep and performance, this is the one for you. What people say. Great way to keep track of maintenance when you're working on your car yourself. The layout is well structured, making it easy to note down everything from oil changes to more complex repairs. It's also useful from a legal standpoint if you have warranties that require proof of maintenance, especially when you do tasks like oil changes on your own. This book looks official and contains everything a factory logbook has to ensure all service items are being completed and recorded. Number 3. Skyline Auto Mileage Logbook. This is the universal driving logbook designed to help you meticulously track mileage, expenses, fuel consumption, and even maintenance. It's your all-in-one solution for managing your vehicle's activity. Its convenient A5 size makes it ideal for keeping in your glove compartment. Whether for personal journeys or business trips, it provides a detailed record of all your auto travel. With 129 pages, it offers ample space to record details for up to 1,674 individual trips. Each entry allows you to log date, locations, odometer readings, miles driven, and associated expenses. Crafted with a durable eco-leather hardcover and thick 120 GSM paper, this logbook is built to last. It also features a lay-flat binding, elastic band, pen loop, bookmark, and a convenient pocket for receipts. We are confident you'll love it. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase for any reason, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee for a full refund or exchange. What we like. This logbook is built with premium materials like an eco-leather hardcover and thick paper for exceptional durability. It can store information for up to 1,674 car trips and lays flat for easy writing. If you appreciate high-quality construction and need to log a very high volume of trips with detailed information, this is an excellent option. What people say. Synthetic cover that's soft and won't slide around, red for high visibility, plenty of options and pages to keep accurate logs, numbers and contacts, also has a small expandable pouch for receipts on the back cover. This book is laid out logically with plenty of room to record everything. The book feels sturdy and will be a good companion for my vehicle. It's got a place for pen or pencil, a bookmark, and a good selection of useful sections, to keep track of work-related or personal trip information. Enclosed envelope for receipts. Number 2. BookFactory Maintenance Logbook. Introducing the BookFactory Maintenance Logbook, your essential tool for tracking equipment information. This durable logbook is proudly made in the USA. It features a sturdy imitation leather cover and a flexible square spine, designed for everyday use. The section-sewn binding ensures it lays flat when open for easy writing. Inside, you'll find archival quality, acid-free paper that preserves your records for years to come. The pages measure 8 by 10 inches, providing ample space. A dedicated user data page allows for comprehensive recording of all equipment and location details. Keep your maintenance records organized and accessible. This logbook is proudly produced in Ohio by a dedicated veteran-owned business. Choose quality and support American manufacturing with this essential maintenance log. What we like. This maintenance logbook features a durable hardbound design with a red imitation leather cover and section-sewn binding that allows it to lay flat. It uses archival quality, acid-free paper to preserve your records. If you prefer a classic, sturdy notebook that's easy to write in and built to last for long-term record keeping, consider this option. What people say. This book makes it easy to keep track of machines fixed and what tasks were done on what dates. Just enough room on each section with the right info I need to log. It has everything needed to stay organized, and to keep your vehicle under warranty. Number 1. BookFactory Maintenance Logbook. Introducing the BookFactory Maintenance Logbook, your reliable solution for tracking equipment upkeep. This durable logbook is designed for efficiency and longevity. Proudly produced in Ohio by a veteran-owned business, this logbook represents American craftsmanship. You can trust in its quality and origin. It features a hardbound construction with a black imitation leather cover and a flexible square spine. This ensures it can withstand daily use while remaining easy to handle. The section-sewn binding allows the book to lay flat when open, making it convenient to write in. No more struggling with a book that won't stay open. Inside, you'll find archival quality, acid-free paper that preserves your entries for years to come. This ensures the integrity of your maintenance records. With page dimensions of 8 by 10 inches, there's ample space for all your maintenance notes. Keep detailed records without feeling cramped. What we like. Similar to its red counterpart, this hardbound logbook also offers a lay-flat writing experience and uses archival quality, acid-free paper. The key difference is its sleek black imitation leather cover. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use maintenance log with a professional aesthetic, this black version is a solid choice. What people say. This book makes it easy to keep track of machines fixed and what tasks were done on what dates. Just enough room on each section with the right info I need to log. It has everything needed to stay organized, and to keep your vehicle under warranty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.